like foundation, like rumah bahasa. Yeah, I very want to build a foundation. Yeah, but now I still look the pelosok village. Yeah,
Every deeper villagers.
yeah, very
Underline.
very sad.
Deeper villager.
Yeah, why I say like that, because in Indonesia some people still live word like now, even some people still don't know what is English language,
Oh yeah.
what is Arabic language,
Yeah.
what is Dutch language,
Yeah.
and the other language. Yeah. But make us some foundation is very hard, because certain must have some money. But if we want join together, certain we can make foundation. Do you know about English focus?
Yeah, fake use. Yeah.
Yeah. English focus first is foundation Yayasan Aceh, but they make English focus, and and that is a business, you know. Yeah. Some people can take private in English focus, and teacher in English focus is Native America.
Masya
Yeah,
Allah.
Erwin, you know, Erwin.
Yeah,
Erwin,
yeah. I want like that, you know.
Yeah.
If my foundation want teach about Arabic, people Arabic would teach children or student. But I want make building another language. So one building can